So what's up, guys? I'm here at the car auction. It hasn't started raining yet, but the sky has started getting darker. Today's May 19th. Look at the sky. See, there's no rain on the windows yet, but the sky is getting dark. It's like it's almost like it's. You see, like there's a cloud line right here, and then there's kind of light over there. So yeah, probably gonna rain in a little bit. So we'll see what's up. Oh, and the time is 9:39. Look at these cars, yo. We got the Mercedes-Benz classic thing, monster trucks. That's cool. So they said it was gonna rain around 10, and it's already 10:27 a.m. And so another thing I wanted to say was I wanted you guys to hear how it sounded. They're gonna be like, you know, auctioning the cars off. So we'll see how that sounds. Let's just like keep it on. You might not be able to see anything out of my pocket for a few seconds, and then for a few seconds, and then turn around so you can hear how it sounds inside there. All right, but yeah, it hasn't started raining yet. It's already 10:27. So I mean, maybe I don't think they know what they're talking about half the time. All right, guys, peace. So it's just starting to drizzle right now. The time is 10:37, and there's little droplets of rain coming down right now. Can you see them on the windshield? There's little droplets of rain. That means it might start pouring in a little bit. So check this out, guys. I've never seen this feature on a car before. Look, right here. Look. Look at these things. They're gonna go in now. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Check out this feature too, look. That's cool, man. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm in a new Mini Cooper. In the old Mini Cooper. This one has the thing up here. You can put the ceiling back. That's pretty cool. And this one tops up. I don't know if they all do, but this one's at 160. That's really good. Alright, peace. So it stopped drizzling. The time is 11:38. It stopped drizzling since that little drizzle. But the sky got really dark again. It got really dark again, so it might rain after this. I don't know. We'll see what's up.